Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a Perl program that overwrites another file. So in here we've got the test folder and we've got a test file in here. If we open it, we've got some text in it. If we go to the desktop, we've got test1 file again. If we click on that, we've got file overwritten. So I'm just going to start off. We're going to create a subroutine called sub copy overwrite. Okay, so we're going to create a source destination here. So for the text file on the desktop, it's going to be my scalar source is equal to C assigned to C : users mark desktop, and it's called text1.txt. That's the file on the desktop. Okay, we're going to create the destination file, so destination. We're going to copy it to the destination and overwrite the other file with the same name. So that's the destination. That's going to be C users mark desktop. Wait, what have I done now? What's happened? Desktop, and the folder's called. Let's have a look. What is the folder called? Folder's called test. Okay, so the folder's called test, and it's called text1.txt. Okay, so I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger like that. Okay, so we use the conditional if, and then we'll use this here, which stands for exists. So if the destination exists, we're going to do something. Let's just neaten this up a little bit here. Whoops, wrong way. Okay, so if the destination exists, I'm going to print a message out to the user, interpolate the destination here, exists, interpolate that destination into the string, overwrite file. So we're going to ask the user if they want to overwrite the file, yes or no. Okay, then we're going to do the chomp. Going to create another scalar variable called choice, which we will assign to standard input here, which will get the user input. And we're going to start off with another conditional. So if scalar choice is equal to y, which means yes, we say yes to that, we're going to do something. And we're going to use the copy function here, copy scalar source to the scalar destination. Then we're going to give it a generic error message if something goes wrong or die. We type error. And then we're going to print out a message to the user, say print file overwritten. the message to the user. And then we're just simply going to exit the program. So exit here. Right, okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to call it. So it's going to be called copy overwrite. Let's save it. Let's run the program. Okay. It's executed perfectly, I think. Right. So if you remember, in test 1 on the desktop, it says file overwritten. And we can go back to there. Let's have a look at this. And it's not overwritten it. I'll just have to check this out. Okay, so I've had a little bit of a problem with the files. So I've just renamed the files here. So we've got testx and testx.txt. So as we go onto the desktop, we'll have a look in there, and that says overwritten. As we go into the folder here, look there, and that says NNNN. So let's run the program. Let's just make it a bit bigger there. So overwrite. So if I go no like that, it should exit the program. Okay, so it's exited the program. Let's run it again. Okay, make it a little bit bigger. So we're going to say yes, I want to overwrite. Yes. Okay, file overwritten. So let's go and check out the files. So in here it should have overwritten this file. There you go, with overwritten. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a big thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.